I see some of the cadets from State Cadet Police. It's to you as well. There are some of the advocates present here. Mrs. Chandran, and lastly my wife, and ladies and gentlemen. They say Kerala is God's own country. So whenever I visit Kerala, Kerala has always something or the other, some special, some extra to offer. And what I gathered when I visited this gallery where some of the paintings, some of the exhibits have been put up, that showed immense talent, which has been showcased as a result of efforts on part of Kerala State Legal Services Authority. These exhibits, these paintings have been done by children from juvenile justice home, girls who have been victims of POCSO, even third gender persons, and that shows immense talent. And that talent is nothing but next to godliness. And that's why I say Kerala always offers something extra. Why did I say so? Just 3 days back, I held a interactive session with all the presidents, all the chairpersons of state legal services authorities. And I said, this 45-day outreach program is to culminate on 14th of November. That happens to be the Children's Day. So why not have competition for various sections, that is children up to say 8th standard, then children from 9th to 12th standard, some of the children from JJ homes, juvenile justice homes, maybe some of the victims. And here I am in next 2 days, the gallery full of all those exhibits. So Kerala always steals a march. Congratulations, well done. Now some few sentences on this outreach program. First of all, why? What is the necessity? What is the reason for that? What we observe is that there are various schemes which are floated by state governments, which are floated by central government, wherein the various benefits are supposed to flow in favor of some of the marginalized sections, some of those who deserve to be sort of given some compensatory relief. Unfortunately, those disadvantaged people or marginalized people do not have sufficient knowledge or awareness about those schemes, about their own entitlements, about the fact that it is their matter of right for them to draw those benefits. That's one part. Second part is that those who unfortunately happen to be on the wrong side of law, maybe in a civil or criminal proceeding, Indian Constitution obliges, gives a guarantees a right of free legal aid to those who deserve that. But again, maybe because of lack of awareness, lack of knowledge, many people stand deprived of that. I keep repeating the statistics because that is something which is ingrained in my mind now. Out of 100 matters in court, legal aid actually is given to only 1%. And that's why I keep asking myself, I keep putting this question to the gathering one after the other, wherever I get the occasion, wherever I have a chance. Is it Ladies and gentlemen, that 99% don't want legal aid. Either they are not aware that there is a setup, there is an agency called Legal Aid Service, and it is a matter of right for them to get that to avail of that service without payment, without charges, and it's completely free of cost. Either it is lack of awareness, or second, it could be that qualitatively they consider what is dished out by legal aid clinics to be below par. In second matter, it's a matter of serious concern. But leave aside that, we will have to rectify our own premises. We will have to rectify and have some course correction for ourselves. But the first matter, lack of awareness, it is that lack of awareness that we are trying to eradicate. And therefore, on the occasion when 75 years of independence, what else could be a fitting tribute to the entire nation that at least no man should go and with a feeling that I wasn't even aware that there is a concept such as legal aid. And that's the reason why this awareness program. As a part of this awareness program, the intent is to reach every village, every nook and corner of the country, at least thrice. Leave a footprint of Nalsa so that it would resonate in the minds of people that there is something which will stand by them in case of need. Nalsa stands for, you have actually seen that in Malayalam, Nalsa theme song. In Hindi it says, Vishwas sabke liye, Nyay sabke liye. So therefore, to give that sense of confidence to everyone, to give that sense of justice being with them at every juncture. Now when we do that, that's when all the sections, all the persons from the society will have that healthy environment which will enable them to reach the best possible achievements which an individual can aspire for and desire for. What do we every now and then say that what is your life, what is your right to life and liberty? Essentially create an environment where, that famous case in Maneka Gandhi, that the environment should be such which would enable every individual to reach his or her potential to the fullest. Now that's the orderly society that we aim for. But at least from the side of Nalsa, from the point of view of Nalsa, everyone should be aware of their rights. How they wish to avail of their rights is a second part. On this issue also, Nalsa will definitely render a helping hand. And that's what we aspire, that's what we want to. And when we see some of the exhibits like this, imagine a POCSO victim, a child who must have had immense amount of negativities filling her mind. If that child can come out of that and draw something, can paint something, can let that inner creativity find reflection on a sheet of canvas, that shows nothing less than godliness. And that's where you actually give rise to, create an environment where he or she develops a life to the fullest. And that's why I spoke with Justice Chandran and said that I want some of these exhibits we will be taking them as greeting cards on behalf of NALSA, and will be then sending from as season's greetings. That's the work that every legal services authority is expected to discharge. That's the confidence which Parliament has reposed in us, and that's the confidence that we must actually live up to and stand for. It is that confidence, if we let it permeate in the society, then it will be in true form what you call Vishwas Sabke Liye and Nyay Sabke Liye. That's what we stand for. And I'm really delighted. It was very, very heartwarming to see all those exhibits. That's only an indication. All you need to know is the tip of the iceberg to gauge what's the depth of that. And that was so evident here, that was so clearly visible there. I go as a very happy person, I go as a very contented person, that yes, I saw something which was so special today that yes, my day is made. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.